All right, so this is a workout for my client during his competitive season. Just a typical workout during a microcycle. In particular, this is going to be a leg workout today. So we have leg extensions, leg curls, barbell squats, then leg press, calf raises, hack squat, and front squats, followed by cardio. And I have 4 to 5 sets on every exercise with 6 to 10 reps each. And the volume of 1 rep max for these sets is going to be 75 to 85% of 1 rep max. And this is because the 6 to 10 rep range is correlated with 75 to 85% of 1 rep max. And we want to do a little bit less reps here and get heavier in weight during the competitive season to put on some dense muscle. That's the reason for this volume load. The muscles worked is going to be your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. In particular, since this is microcycle, during the competitive season, this is a sport-specific workout because this client lacks muscle size in the quadriceps compared to different muscles of the legs. So we have incorporated more quadricep exercises like the front squats at the end and the hack squats, as well as leg extensions and leg press and the barbell squats. Most of the exercises today will target those quadriceps more than everything else. So I've incorporated those exercises in order to bring the quadriceps up, little last minute touches during the competitive season, and then for the cardio at the end, I have 15 to 30 minutes of stair mill and 15 to 30 minutes of the stationary bike. But that means to mix and match 15 to 30 minutes on each in order to make 45 minutes total. So he doesn't have to do 60 minutes, just 45 minutes. But if you wanted to do more, you can go ahead and do more. So that's a competitive season microcycle example.